Hey guys, I'm sure that whoever is watching this video have heard of slime before. And today, me and my little sister are going to unbox our new slime kit. It's safe and non-toxic so that me and my little sister can play with it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, now let's get started. Now we're going to unbox it. Let's open it. Awesome. As you can see, there's a lot of slimes and decorative stuff you can put in our slime. See? There's blue, clear, pink, orange, green, many colors there are. Also, there's glitter, different varieties of glitter like golden glitter, blue, green, many colors there are. It's very cool. Also, there's these kinds of glitter. It comes in 2 packs. Like this. And there's some decorative stuff that you can put on your slime. Like oranges or tiny things. And also there's this like a knife or small play knife or a spoon to use so that you can mix your slime with it. And it comes, and lastly, there's also 2 straws. You can also make very cool and fun shapes out of these slimes, like a strawberry or an apple or anything. There's many cool stuff. It's a fun shape, like a strawberry you can put in it. And now, let's pick on which slime to play with. Pink for you! You like pink?
Yeah.
Yeah! And blue for me is my favorite color. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, it's slime. Yeah, it's cool, right, kid? Yeah, you excited? Open it. Opening it. Now let's take the slime. See, it's very easy to take out. Take the slime. Very nice. It's so easy. And there, now that we have our slime, it's like this. It's very soft. It's very nice. You can squish it, and it's very stretchy, and it doesn't get on your hands. See, no matter how much I squish it or do anything with it, my hands are still clean. There's nothing on my hands. Very nice, and it's like very stretchy and it's very nice entertainment. Ooh, so cool, right? It's clear. Clear slime. Ooh, do you like it, kid? Yeah, stretch it. You know a lot of tricks. Stretch it. Play with the slime. Stretch it really fast. Stretch it. Yeah, just big slime. Stretch it. Take it and stretch it. Stretch it. Ooh, you can make many types of fun shapes out of this. Like for example, a grape. See right here. To make a grape, you just push it down, and it's like this. Wow, tiny grape. Look, I made a tiny grape. It's very easy to make some fun shapes. You just push it down and you get a grape. Open it. A grape. Very nice to make. You can do many cool things out of it. Like it? You want to make some fun shapes too? What have you got? Oh, you have a grape too? Nice. You're going to make some fun stuff? Yeah. Let's make it really long, right guys? My hands are very clean. I really like that part. It's so nice how it never gets wet. Right now we're having so much fun with our slime. You can even decorate your slime with many things. So I'll choose this type of glitter, yellow colors. Let's see how it is. So awesome. Wow, now it's time to put the glitters. Let's see now. Let's take a bit of glitter. Put on the glue. Spreads out. All done. Then putting the glitter. Let's add some more colors. It's gonna make it awesome. Let's add. Stretch it out a bit. Put another color. Which color how it should be taken. Pick one. Okay, there are also these kind of things. It has watermelon, tiny different type of decorated things. Very nice. It's very easy to put some into. You just have to turn this, and now, which one should I pick? I'll just pick one. A strawberry. I'll put a few strawberries in it. And then I put the strawberries in the thing. Now I'm adding some glitter. Now I'm done decorating it. Now it's so beautiful. Now let's mix it up. Now let's use these to stir it up. Alright, done. Everything's very beautiful. Now I'll show you the best part of it. Look at my slime. All of those cool things inside it. It's very nice, it's very cool and very amazing. All the glitter, all the things we put in. I'm going to exchange with my sister. Let's exchange, Kate. Yeah. No, take this one. Wow, it's so cool. My sister is amazing. My sister also did very well. Wow, it has tiny blue stars.
I don't touch it.
Very nice. Wow, look at those things that my sister put in it. Some tiny diamonds, tiny stars. They're very nice. Very beautiful. If you're watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!
I make something get as grapes. Tap. Shake down. Then flick it. Something else. Screen. Yeah.
Wow, you can stretch it as long as you want. Whoa.